Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
We have been praying for rain, and we had rain this morning, but as soon as it pushed in, well, things cleared off. Take a look at today in review. Obviously, this is after the rainfall because we had the sun shining for quite some time today. Just gorgeous conditions, and that sunset, oh, it was worth a million words. Just phenomenal because we are beginning to see those clouds pushing through. Clouds continue to push their way across the South Plains, and as they do, they're going to help hold in the heat that we did receive today. So dealing with quite a bit of cloud cover pushing its way into the area right up and along I-27. In the rolling plains, we are still nice and clear and over towards Holly's Drive through. We're looking good over in Post. But all of that is about to change. The clouds are going to continue to move their way over, and as they do, they're going to help us keep those temperatures nice and mild. Right now we're sitting at 60 degrees in the Hub City, 61 in Amarillo. Check out Albuquerque coming in at a mild 60 degrees, but you push further off towards the east where those temperatures are still nice and mild, but you can indicate with that blue we're in the 30s and even 40s. I've got many friends right now over in Florida, and they're having to put on their cuddle duds. They said it is that incredibly cold. But right here, it's basically like Florida temperatures, especially this time of night. 58 in Tahoka, 57 down towards the Gale, up towards the north where we are sitting in the 60s. Now, winds, on the other hand, they're helping out with this a lot. I mean, obviously we've got the clouds, but when you have wind speeds still sustained 24 miles per hour strictly out of the south in Tahoka, it's helping hold in that heat. 28 here in the Hub City, 12 in Plainview, but we will continue to be dealing with these wind speeds sticking around with us not only into the overnight hours, but into tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow afternoon, they will be strictly out of the west. So with that westerly flow, we're dealing with extremely dry conditions causing a fire hazard, and those winds stay with us on into Thursday evening. So a lot of winds are headed into the area. Sadly, not a lot of cloud cover or even precipitation at that. We will be dealing with a few clouds right along the central areas as we go further into Friday early morning, but as soon as they come in, they push their way out, and we will be dealing with crystal clear skies. But on a good note, clear skies, very nice warm weather. Tomorrow, here's what you're looking at. 49 degrees for the low. We will be dealing with blowing dust and dirt by the early portion of the morning into the afternoon hours. So be prepared. Please stay safe. Along with that, we will be having very nice warm weather. But we got to remember, warm weather, dry conditions is going to be a large fire hazard all across the entire portion of the South Plains. Winds will be sustained 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts in the 50s. So it's going to be one windy day. We head further on into our Friday, a lot of sunshine as we head into the afternoon. 75 degrees for the high. By Saturday, we will get up to 73. But check out Sunday. 81 degrees for the high. It's going to be a breezy day across the area, and then we head on into our Monday where a slight cold front does come through, dropping temperatures down to 76 degrees. We will get down to 72 by Tuesday, but as far as any amount of rainfall is concerned, we continue to stay dry all across the South Plains. Now, do remember tonight, we are going to have those winds staying with us into the overnight hours, so we need you to be extremely cautious. Let the kiddos know if they wake up, they're hearing those West Texas winds. If you have anything outdoors, please bring it inside. I know a lot of us like to decorate. I know I'm one of those. Always decorating for every holiday there is. So make sure you bring it inside. Otherwise, you will be going to chat with your neighbors tomorrow morning.
What holiday is it right now that you're decorating for?
Spring.
Just the spring.
That is a holiday itself because we're all saying hallelujah.
Well, Easter's coming up too. So
well, I do have my Easter decor out too.
Yeah.
Every 2 weeks, there's something new that comes onto their front door and stuff like that.
I love it. Hey, you got to keep everybody guessing.
That's very true. Thanks so much, Nikki-Dee. We appreciate that. More news still.